Subscribe to your point of view, hit the bell icon and get notified each time I upload a new video. Because whatever you do, winter is coming.
Hey, what's happening guys, it's your host Amog back with another interesting video. And today we will be checking out the gaming performance of this Asus Zenbook UX430U. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. Now before we begin, if you guys haven't seen my unboxing video of this laptop, then click on this card right now and watch the video if you wanna know about the box content. This laptop is being sold in India for Rs 94,000 for the base model, which has i7 8th generation processor and 8GB of RAM. It also has Nvidia MX150 of graphic card, which is a 2GB graphic card. But is this rig good enough to play graphic intensive games? Let's find out. So I'm going to play these 5 games, which includes Outlast 1 and Outlast 2, Resident Evil 7, GTA 5 and Metro 2033 Redux. I will play all the games first at default setting and then at the highest settings possible. So let's start with Outlast 1. Again, I am recording the gameplay from my smartphone's camera because using some recording software like OBS Studio will give load on the CPU, which might cause lag during gameplay. So as you can see, these are the default graphics.
Back from the dead.
And the game runs super smooth. Now changing the settings to very high.
Are you ready? Let's go. Now we're back from the dead.
Then also the gameplay was very smooth. Now moving on to Outlast 2.
Dead.
Hell yeah.
Back.
At default the gameplay is good, no major lag and pretty good graphics. Now changing the graphics to high.
Now we're back from the dead. Are you ready?
It is playable but not as smooth as it was before, but still definitely above average. Now moving on to Resident Evil 7. At default, again it runs pretty smooth, but it's not the best. At some scenes where there is a lot of action, it drops few frames.
Hell yeah.
We're back from the dead.
After increasing the graphics, it drops the frames here and there, but still it is very playable. Now moving on to GTA 5. By default, it is set to 720p resolution with medium to high graphics.
Back from the dead. Back from the dead.
And guess what? It runs it very smooth, with no frame drops at all. Then increasing the resolution to 1080p.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited to go fucking mental on this motherfucking drop. The countdown has just begun.
It is still exactly the same, and I don't see any issue of frame drops. So needless to say, it can run GTA 5 without any problem in both 720p as well as 1080p resolution. And now Metro 2033 Redux.
We're back from the dead.
At default graphics, it is above average. And also at very high settings, it is still the same. So this will also give you between 40 to 50 FPS gameplay without any problem. To conclude the video here, I would say if your purpose of buying this laptop is not only to do your productive tasks but also to play a little bit of games on weekends, then this laptop is perfect for you. Again, I won't expect this laptop to be best with regards to gaming, given the fact that it's not a gaming laptop. But still, it can be used to play few medium to high graphic games for sure. So that's it for this video guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for the full review of this laptop. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Amog and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care.